So welcome to all of you Shiksha 360, and today basically we will discuss MCQ session number 16. Clear? And I request to all of you basically students who have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's start our today discussion. So set number 16, that is basically belongs from the chapter number 8, and in that session basically we will discuss 15 questions. Clear? Among that basically there will basically 2 numerical type question, rest basically theoretical type question. So let's start the first question basically on your screens now. So question number 196. Which one of the following basically does measure risk? Clear? Question number 196 is that basically which one of the following does measure risk? First option is coefficient of variation. Second option is standard deviation. Third option is expected value. Fourth one is basically all of the above are measures of risk. Clear? Basically all of the above are basically measures of the risk. Clear? So please tell fast basically what is the correct answer. Please tell fast basically what is the correct answer of this question basically. Which one of the following basically does measure risk? Clear? Basically which one of the following basically does measure risk? Clear? Coefficient of variation, standard deviation, expected value, and all of the above basically are measures of the risk. Clear? All of the above are basically measures of the risk. Clear? Basically we will measure the risk basically with respect to all of these. Clear? Basically with respect to all of this, option number basically D is the correct answer here. Clear? Option number D is the correct answer here. Now move to the next question, question number 197. Which of the following basically most accurately describes risk? Clear? So very carefully please answer this question. Clear? Which of the following most accurately basically describes the risk? That is basically they want to say that basically what is the exact definition type of the risk. Clear? First one is the possibility that actual return may be less than the expected return. The fact that the real value of cash varies over time. The possibility that the investment basically may be worth less in the future. The possibility that the actual return basically may differ from the expected return. Clear? From the expected return. Clear? So what is the correct answer of this question? Clear? Basically when we have discussed the concept regarding the risk. Clear? So risk it is an basically it is an uncertain event. Clear? Risk basically it is an uncertain event. So in that uncertain event basically means that basically what we expect we will not get that thing. Clear? Basically what we expect basically we will not get that thing. Clear? So option number D is the correct answer. That is the possibility that the actual return. Clear? The possibility that the actual return basically may differ from the expected value. Clear? That the actual return basically may differ from the expected value. Clear? So option number D is the correct answer here. So other students please participate also. So the question number 98. The presence of risk basically means that. Clear? The presence of risk basically means that first option is more than one outcome is possible. B option is basically investors basically will lose money. Third option is basically the standard deviation of the payoff is larger than its expected value. Fourth option is basically final wealth will be greater than the initial wealth. Clear? Fourth option is that is basically final wealth basically will be greater than the initial wealth. Clear? So what is the correct answer of this question? Clear? The presence of risk. So basically risk basically means that basically we are going to expect one thing, but basically we will get different results. Clear? We will get this one result also, basically we will get this one result also, basically we will get this one result also. Clear? That is basically what we expect, basically we will not get that thing. Clear? So basically that is basically more than one outcome is possible. Clear? That is basically more than one outcome is possible. So this is our answer here. Clear? That is basically more than one outcome is possible. So basically this is our answer. Clear? Option number A. Now move to the next question, question number 199. Clear? That is regarding the management of the risk. Clear? That question is basically based on the management of the risk. Clear? So normally framing of the risk management. Clear? Basically framing of the risk management policy guidelines would be the responsibility of. Clear? Normally framing of the risk management policy guidelines. Clear? Normally basically framing of the risk management policy guidelines would be the responsibility of. Clear? First one is a risk management support group. Second one is basically committee of senior level executives. Third one is basically board of directors. Fourth one is basically risk management committee of the board. Clear? Fourth one is that is risk management committee of the board. Clear? So what is the correct answer? Basically risk management policy guidelines. Clear? Basically it is the responsibility of the board of directors. Clear? Basically it is the responsibility of the board of directors. Clear? So this one is our answer. Clear. So all these types of responsibility work basically is on the hands of that board of directors. Clear. Basically board of directors. Now move to the next question. Question number 100. Sorry, question number 200. Clear. Question number 200. Just you have to read the question and try to understand basically what they want to say. That these questions are not typical. Just basically you want to understand the basic things under that. So next question basically what it says that let's discuss. The objective of portfolio. Clear. Basically the objective of portfolio is to reduce dash by diversification. Clear. Portfolio. Like basically just basically we are taking one example here. Portfolio. Like basically we are purchasing the shares. And we have rupees 5 lakh in our hands. Clear. So basically it depends upon us. Clear. Either basically we have to purchase the shares of basically we can say that like TCS, like 3 lakh shares of basically 3 lakh amount shares of TCS, and 2 lakh basically we will invest in basically we can say that like Infosys or Maruti. Clear. Or the other hand, next one basically we have 5 lakh rupees. So basically we will invest all the amount basically in the HDFC. Clear. So basically why basically here basically we have to invest in two sectors, basically in two different organizations, or basically we can say that here basically we are investing basically in the SP. Along with that also. Clear. 1 lakh here, 1 lakh here. Clear. So what is the reason behind that? Basically we want to here basically diversify our portfolio. Clear. Basically one sector down, so our all amount basically will not goes down. Clear. So our all amount basically will not goes down. Clear. So basically what we are doing here basically to reduce the risk. Clear. The objective of portfolio basically is to reduce the risk by the diversification. Clear. So this one is our answer. Clear. To reduce the risk by diversification. Now move to the next question 201. Clear. So the example of zero risk investment is clear. The example of zero risk investment is, first one is the national savings certificate. Second one is basically shares of blue chip company. Third option is basically unit of mutual fund. Fourth one is saving bank deposit. Clear. Saving bank deposit. Clear. So the what is the correct answer? That is correct answer is basically national savings certificate. Clear. NSC. NSC. That is basically issued by the government of India. Clear. National savings certificate issued by the government of India. Clear. So option number A is the correct answer. That is national savings certificate. Clear. That is basically the example of zero risk investment is basically national saving certificate. Question number 202 here. Question number 202 here, that is RAROC would affect. Clear. Basically RAROC basically would affect if. Clear. RAROC basically that is risk adjusted return. Clear. Risk adjusted return. Clear. RAROC basically would affect if. First one is if there is wrong estimation. Clear. First option is that is if there is a wrong estimation about the probability of the loss associated with the risk. Second option is basically there is wrong estimation of the returns. Third option is basically there is right estimation of returns. Fourth option is basically might be one of the above possibilities. Clear. Might be any one of the above possibilities. Clear. So RAROC basically would affect basically when there is a wrong estimation. Clear. Risk adjusted. Clear. Basically we have to analyze the condition. Clear. Basically what type of risk basically we have face here, and on the basis of that basically we have to formulate a policies. Clear. So that is basically risk adjusted return. RAROC basically would affect if there is a wrong estimation. Clear. If there is a wrong estimation basically about the probability of loss associated with the risk. Clear. So this one is our answer. Clear. So this one is our answer here. Now move to the next question. Question number 203. That is basically a formula based question. Very straightforward question, and you will get basically these types of question in the examination basically either in the form of 1 mark or 2 mark question. Sorry, 2 mark question basically means that basically 2 questions. Clear. Because in the examination basically all questions are to be 1 mark. Clear. Just basically like basically they are giving 2 to 3 questions on this concept. Clear. So basically here what they are saying that basically if the weekly volatility of a stock is 6%. Clear. That is volatility they have given, that is 6%. Then what will be the daily volatility basically based on 26 working days in a month would be. Clear. So volatility into daily volatility into square root of time. So volatility here 6%, daily volatility, basically we have to find that into square root of 26. So 6 upon 100 upon 26 is equal to daily volatility. So basically when we are going to calculate this one, so clear, first of all 6 divided by 100, that is basically we will get 0.06 upon root 26. Clear. So basically we will get here basically 0.01176. Clear. This one value basically we will get here. So basically when we will convert into percentage, clear. So basically when we will convert into percentage, so basically we will get that is 1.176%. Clear. 1.176%. Clear. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay, sorry. Okay, it is basically given weekly volatility. Clear. Basically weekly volatility. So first of all, volatility 6% into daily volatility into 7 root of 7. Clear. So this one basically we have to do that. Clear. Sorry, this one is a little bit wrong. This one basically we have to do that 6% upon root 7 is equal to daily volatility. Clear. So please tell what is the answer here. 0.06 divided by root 26. So daily volatility, clear. Basically daily volatility, basically here basically we will get here that is 0.01176. 0.01176. Clear. That is 1.176%. Clear. That is 1.176%. Clear. Or any other answer basically, please tell fast. I am wrong at any place, please tell fast. Sorry, 0.06 divided by root 7. Okay, I think this is basically we will 0.0226. So 2.267. Clear. I think basically 2.267%. This is the type of answer basically we will get here. Clear. This is the type of answer basically we will get here. So option number D is the answer. Clear. Option number D is the answer. That is basically they have given the weekly volatility of a stock, that is 6%. So basically we have to calculate the daily volatility. Clear. But here basically they are saying that basically we have to calculate the daily volatility basically on 26 working days in a month. Clear. On 26 working days basically in a month. Clear. So I think basically what I have calculated basically initially, this one is correct one, this one is not. Clear. Thus they have given the volatility, and basically we have to calculate the daily volatility basically on the basis of 26 working days in a month. Clear. 26 working days in a month. Clear. So this one is correct one. Clear. So this one is correct one. Clear. That is this option. Clear. Basically volatility into daily volatility into the square root of time. Clear. Just basically solving that, basically you will get this answer. Clear. This one is not. Okay. Now move to the next question, question number 204. Clear. Now move to the next question, that is question number 204. Clear. So a business with higher risk. Clear. A business basically with a higher risk is expected to have dash variation. Clear. Basically a business with higher risk is expected to have dash variation basically in the net cash flows. Clear. In the net cash flows with dash potential of profit and loss. Clear. So basically a business basically with higher risk is expected to have low variation. No, higher risk basically expected to basically when there is a large variation. Clear. Sometimes basically large variation in the cash flow, sometimes basically more cash flow and sometimes less. Clear. Large variation in the cash flow, this one with the dash potential of profit and loss. Clear. So basically that is large potential of profit and loss. Clear. That is basically large potential of profit and loss. Clear. So option number D is the correct answer here. Clear. Option number D is the correct answer here. Clear. So basically a business with higher risk basically is expected to have large variation in net cash flows basically with the large potential of profit and loss. Clear. So this one is our answer. Now move to the next question, question number 205. Clear. So what does basically zero risk coordinate? Clear. Or we can say that basically what is the meaning of zero risk here? Clear. Option number A, that is basically no variation in the net cash flows. Option number B is basically low variation in the net cash flows. Option number C is basically high variation in the net cash flows. Option number D is any of these. Clear. Option number D is basically any of these. Clear? So what will be the correct answer? Basically, zero risk basically denotes that the no variation in the net cash flows. Clear? Zero risk basically denotes that the no variation in the net cash flows. Clear? So this one is our answer. Clear? Zero risk basically denotes that the no variation in the net cash flows. Clear? No variation in the net cash flows. This one is our answer. Now move to the next question. Investment in post office deposit. Clear? These types of question you will also frequently get in the examination. Clear? Investment basically in the post office time deposit. It is a high risk investment. No. Medium risk investment. Medium risk investment. No. Zero risk investment or low risk investment. Clear? So basically we have to think over that. Clear? So basically investment in post office time deposit, it is basically also as a zero risk investment. Clear? It is basically considered under the zero risk investment. Clear? So this one is our answer. Clear? So this one is our answer, that is zero risk investment. Now move to the next one. Question number 207. Clear? Question number 207. Which of the following the statement basically is not correct? Clear? Basically, which of the following the statement basically is not correct about risk mitigation measure? Clear? Basically, which of the following the statement basically is not correct about the risk mitigation measure? Clear? About the risk mitigation measure. Clear? Option number A, that is basically risk mitigation measure basically aims to reduce the downside variability basically in the net cash flows. Second option is basically these do not reduce upside potential or profit potential simultaneously. C option is basically where counterparty is an established exchange, counterparty risk basically gets reduced very substantially. Option number D is none of the above. Clear? Option number D is none of the above. So basically which one is not correct? Option number B is not correct here. Clear? That is, these do not reduce upside potential or profit potential simultaneously. Clear? Basically these do not reduce upside potential or profit potential simultaneously. Clear? So option number B is the answer here. Now move to the next question, basically little bit numerical based question, very easy question. Just basically they are asking basically what are the variance and standard deviation of the following numbers. Okay? What is the variance and standard deviation of the following numbers? Basically they have given 5 numbers there: 52, 53, 57, 58 and 60. Clear? So basically how to calculate the variance? Clear? First of all, basically we have to calculate the mean of these numbers. So mean of these numbers is basically 52 plus 53 plus 57 plus 58 plus 60. Can anyone tell basically what is the mean of these numbers? So just basically calculate on the calculator: 52 plus 53 plus 57 plus 58 plus 60. Divide by 5. Clear? So it comes out to basically 56. Now basically we have to check basically how much it will deviate. Clear? Basically, first of all, basically we have to write here a number, that is 52, 53, 57, 58, 60. Here basically we have to write difference, number and mean. So that is difference here -4, 52 minus 56, here -3, here +1, here +2, here +4. So difference square basically we have to do. This is 16, this is 9, this is 1, this is 4, this is 16. So overall basically what we will get here: 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 10, 42, 46. Clear? Overall basically we will get here 46. So variance basically, what is variance? Basically that is this much, 46 upon number of data is 5. Here 46 divided by 5. This comes out to basically 9.2. And what is standard deviation here? Basically square root of the variance. So 9.2 basically only in this option. So basically we will go with the answer. But if we have to calculate the variance also, so just square root of 9.2 basically, which we will get, that is 3.033. Clear? 3.033. So this one is our answer. Clear? So option number A is our answer. Clear? So you have to directly basically just start the question, basically what they are giving, and try to solve that question on the basis of that. Clear? Now move to the next question, question number 209. Hope this question is clear to all of you. Here basically just they are asking what is the variance and standard deviation. Clear? So first of all, they have given the 5 numbers. Clear? Basically, we have to calculate the mean of that. After that, basically, we have to write the numbers and calculate the difference between the numbers. Next step is basically we have to calculate the difference. Okay. And in the end, variance is calculated, difference upon number of data. Standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. Clear? Next, move to the next question. That is question number 209. Clear? So risk mitigation basically results in, clear, risk mitigation basically results in what it results in. First one is basically risk of reduction of downside potential. Second option is basically reduction in profit potential. Clear? Option number. So we have to find that basically which of the following is a true. Clear? Basically which of the following is a true here. So option number A is basically all the options, all the statements are correct. Statement option number B, that is statement 1 is correct. Option number C is basically statement 2 is correct. Option number D is basically both are incorrect. Clear? Basically both are incorrect. Clear? So risk mitigation basically results in risk reduction of downside potential. This one is correct also. Reduction in profit potential. This one is also correct one. Clear? So here basically both are to be correct. So option number A is the answer. That is all the statements given are correct here. Now move to the last question of our today discussion. That is prepayment of loan. Clear? Basically prepayment of loan amount, or basically we can say that closure of the loan amount, basically closure of the loan basically before the tenure, or withdrawal of deposit amount. Clear? Prepayment of loan amount or withdrawal of deposit amount. Clear? Basically we'll add what type of risk? Credit risk, funding risk, embedded option risk, liquidity risk. Prepayment of loan amount or withdrawal of deposit amount basically will add to. Please tell fast basically what is the correct answer. That is embedded option risk. Basically it is the correct answer. Clear? Embedded option risk basically it is the correct answer. Clear? Not any liquidity risk. Clear? Not liquidity risk basically. As some student basically answer not the liquidity risk, basically under that is the embedded option risk. Clear? Embedded option risk basically it is the specific answer. Clear? That is basically the prepayment of loan amount or the withdrawal of deposit amount. That is basically leads to the embedded option risk. Okay. So in this session, basically we have to discuss up to this much point. Hope all the points are clear to all of you. The next session, basically we will discuss some more important questions. So thanks to all of you for joining this session.